Hi and good morning. It's morning for me. I just got out of the shower. My hair is damp and today I'm going to be trying these Amazon heatless curling rods that I got. And there's a pink and black one and they are only $9.99. And I'm so excited about trying these because it's heatless and that's a really gentle way of curling your hair instead of adding that extra heat that damages your locks. And also there's been such great reviews and I'm kind of excited to play with this. It's such a low cost, so it was really worth it. I'm going to have to take down my hair and dry it because the instructions say to dry your hair first, but have your hair on the end slightly damp. So that will be easy to do. I'll just dry my scalp, and I'm not going to be adding some of my favorite heat products when I dry my hair or something that I use to normally hold a curl, because I'm just going to see if this works with natural, just letting it sit in your hair. A lot of people use this overnight, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just wear it in my hair all day. Hopefully it stays. The instructions say you can work out vigorously at the gym with these on. I don't know. I didn't want to try that because I'm not sure how that's going to work. My hair is so fluffy without any product involved, but I'm gonna just trust the process and go with it today. The package comes with two versions, the black and the pink, and also two scrunchies for each. The instructions say to have your hair split and put this on top of your head and secure one side. That is slippery. I think I need a bigger clip. Okay, I think that's secured, and I have the scrunchie right here ready to go. I'm gonna clip this at the top of my head. I think that might help secure it. And it says to grab a piece in the front and start wrapping it around. So we're gonna do a twist, and I'm gonna do it kind of tight, and then gather more hair as you do the second twist around. Almost like you're doing a plait or a braid. And I'm also trying to keep the next twist as tightly to the one above it as possible so they're not spread far apart. Now we're just going to continue and wrap it all the way down to the end until all the hair has been wrapped around. Next, we're going to use the scrunchie to secure the hair on the ends. Okay, let's do the next side. Okay, you can see the differences on the two sides. This one needed to be a tiny bit tighter. So the next step is to pull them behind, and this has a wire, so I'm going to tighten this before I pull it behind, so hopefully that will fix that issue when it all comes done. We'll find out. And this is already pretty tight, so I'm just gonna pull it behind, and we're gonna tie it in the back. And I decided to use two clips just to pull together the back and hold it a little bit tighter. It feels much more secure. The top is really loose and floppy. I mean, it looks like a headband gone wrong, basically. I probably should add another clip to the top here just to secure that, because it's going to be in my hair for quite a few hours. I have to do things and I don't want it to fall apart. It does look a little matronly, but I used the pink so you could see my dark hair being wrapped around. So this clip right here makes it feel a little bit more secure. Sleeping in it, I'm not too sure about, because I think you do need to clip the back, and there's no way you're going to want to sleep on top of clips like that. I think it's possible, but if you move around a bit, you're going to wake up with this thing all over the place. So definitely have some clips ready for the top and the front part. So I'll be back in, I don't know how many hours. I'm going to do 4 minimum, maybe 5 or 6, and take it down and show you how it looks. Okay, I am back and it's been over 5.5 hours, and I think it's time to take out this curler and see how it's going to look. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Holy cow. I have never seen my hair this wound up before. Wow, these are wild. These curls are so tight, I don't even think I could comb through them. If I did, I think it's going to make a really poofy mess. So I'm just going to use my fingers to pull the curls apart. And this worked so well, I can't believe it. Wow, my hair is like a completely different hair type right now. So this thing, $9.99 at Amazon. You get two, give one to someone else. It works really, really, really well. If you slept in it, your hair is going to be pretty coily and bouncy with these curls or waves. I think they could last for days. I could hairspray it in. They're so tight and really secure. I don't think I really need to add any additional product, maybe some hair oil to tame down the frizzies. But other than that, this is a win. I recommend purchasing it. I have the info below, and you also saw the screen grab of which one I purchased from Amazon.